Pete the cat what's his wetsuit?
What a guy. Pete the cat rocking in my school shoes.
A Pete the Cat book. Cool. You love Pete the Cat, don't you?
What else you got?
Well, Nora candy and we got the same thing.
You got bunny gummies.
Yeah. They're like the same thing we got. Oh, let me see the more here. Is there more here? Why is there not more here?
It looks
What
like
are those?
you got a lot of other stuff that's not wanting fit in a basket.
What are those? What is that?
It's a soccer ball.
Soccer balls? And look, that looks like a soccer goal. So you can kick the soccer balls into the soccer goal.
And look, it's a swing.
Oh,
A new
that's a swing that you
swing.
can put on your swing set, and you can just jump in it anytime you want, can't you?
A big boy swing.
Yeah.
It's a big boy swing.
Look.
Chocolate bunny, yummy. What kind of flashcards did you get there?
Counting. Is it counting?
ABCs.
Oh. What's the difference?
It says matching.
Matching. And what is this one?
Rhyming.
One. Cat.
That's right. You made a rhyme.
There's no more in here.
Looks like most of your things wouldn't fit in a basket.
No. Hey, let me see this. But
Look at him. Getting on a school bus, going to school with his new school shoes.
no, it doesn't say nothing.
I know.
Huh? Why does this part dead?
It says, "Here comes Pete strolling down the street, rocking red shoes on his 4 furry feet. Pete is going to school and he sings this song."
What song?
We'll have to read it.
Okay, let me help.
Here, we'll read it in a little while.
Look.
Just this first song.
Look. See? I'm rocking my school shoes. I'm rocking my school shoes. I'm rocking my school shoes. Those are his school shoes.
Huh?
Those are his school shoes. Can you look at the camera and say Happy Easter?
Happy Easter.
You didn't look at the camera.
Happy Easter.
I love you, buddy.
I love you. Hey, can I eat?
Whee! What do you think about that swing?
It doesn't make a sound.
It doesn't squeak, but is it fun?
Yeah.
It's a big boy swing.
Now I'm going to make air. Look at the air coming to me.
The air? You look such like a big boy. Whee!
Well, I don't like this.
Okay, I'll slow you down.
Too high, Daddy.
Don't put me. Is it done?
Good job, buddy.
There's another one. Oh.
Good job, bud.
Is it almost done?
Let me see you kick one in the goal.